Here we've got Nokia 5.4, and let me show you how to activate night mode in this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now reach the display. Here you will notice night light, smoothly click on it, and now you can smoothly turn it on now by using turn on now. Then you can change the intensity of the colors, so you can pick the intensity of blue light filter, and once you want to turn it off, just use turn off now. But you can also schedule night light. To do it, just tap on schedule, and here you can either pick from sunset to sunrise and it will be applied automatically, or you can choose at custom time, so here you can specify the start and the end hour. So the end it can be 5 and start hour can be 11. So from now on between 11 and 5 night light will be active. You can also find it in your upper bar smoothly, enroll the upper bar and then locate night light. Here you can smoothly tap to activate it and then switch it off the same way. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.